Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you many tips of tricks of your LG K50. Let's check it out how many tips and tricks are in your phone. So let's check it from the general. First tips and trick is to double tap on screen to turn it on or off. Enable it. Select home. It's home, just one. Okay. Now if you tap your phone 2 times, it's gonna be wake up. Easy and funny. Tips and trick. Let's check for another. You have your LG AirDrive. Share and manage content with a computer wirelessly via LG account. But to sign in, you have to create your LG account. Let's check for another. You can share the media content with nearly DLNA compatible device like TV. To fix it, you need to connect your Wi-Fi. And for phone, I'm gonna be show you nearby device which you want to share the content. You can print documents from your phone with your printers. You can add the service from the Google Play. For example, if you have HP, Brother, and Canon printer, or to the default print service here. Let's check for another. That's it for the network. Let's check on the sounds. For here you have a sound quality and effects. DTS X 3D sound. That sounds great. You can connect an audio device. So you should connect your phone by Bluetooth or the headset on your phone to get the DTS X 3D sound. Wow, it sounds great. Go to your display and check it here for tips and tricks. Wow, you can do the new second screen. Custom or standard. If the custom, you can choose the color which you want. Standard version is the best for me, I think. Next. Swipe the home touch button left or right to shrink the screen. Mini view. Mini view? I don't even know how to works. To shrink the screen for use with one hand, swipe left or right across the back, home and overable buttons. I don't know if that's it, but you can create double window of the app from here. Can I delete it? I don't know what is it, but go to general and see for another. Battery storage access. We Google smart doctor. What is a smart doctor is? Wow, you can optimize your phone. Perfect. Battery usage. See the statistics. Battery saver. And now test hardware. Wow, you can test your phone that it's working one and diagnose if you have some problem. To resolve the battery app's internal network has been diagnosed. We should back up our files, but we don't log in the account, and you can software update. It was nice tips and trick. The gaming option, if you want to play the game, and that's it. Let's see the tricks. On the upper bar is the flashlight, echo playback. I don't know what it is. That's it for tips and trick in your LG K50. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe. And see you by next video. Hey!